Navigation bar. Depending on the length of the document you are working on, one page may not be enough to show all the segments to be completed. Next to the Power Search bar is the Page Navigation bar. Here you can navigate through the pages available by clicking on the page number. You can also navigate through the pages by using the arrows to move forward and backward one page at a time. Use the magnifying glass to open the Page Navigation widget. Here, all available pages are listed and can be selected. The navigation bar also has a drop-down menu. This menu allows you to jump to specific pages or segments. To jump to a page or segment, simply enter the number into the input field and the system will automatically update in the background. This is useful when you return to a document and you know exactly where you left off. You can also jump to the beginning or end of a document by using the Go to First or Last Page options. Again, simply click on the desired option and the system will update accordingly. The Show Page Navigation widget option will open the same menu as the magnifying glass. To close the navigation widget, simply click the X at the top. The last option in the drop-down menu is for setting how many items will appear on each page. By default, only 15 items are shown at a time. You can change this by selecting an option from the drop-down menu. This will take immediate effect and will stay the default setting for future sessions. This is extremely helpful when completing larger documents where segments may be split over pages. The more items per page means that you will have fewer pages to scroll through.